using the quadratic formula. First, you're going to write the equation in standard form, like this. And then you're going to put it into the x equals negative b plus or minus the square root. 4 squared minus 4ab all over 2a. So then you have, because a equals negative 1, b equals 4, and c equals negative 5. So when you plug it into that beautiful looking formula on Kelly's beautiful looking shin, you're going to get the following next step, which is when you're going to simplify and break down and write the terms of I right here. Then you're going to simplify and get x equals 2 plus or minus I. And that is how we write the quadratic formula.
Factoring. Alright, x squared plus 5x plus 6, and you're going to solve that. You're going to have factors of 6 that add up to 5, which is 2 and 3. So you put that into 2 different parentheses, so it's x plus 2 plus x plus 3. Now you set them both to 0, and then it's both of them equals x equals negative 2, x equals negative 3. So then you put them in the little bracket thingies and makes it x equals negative 2, comma, negative 3. Double distributive property. So 2m plus n to the third power. So you're going to write the equation, then you're going to separate them into 3 different parentheses because it's cubed. So now you're going to distribute 2m plus n and then to 2m plus n. Then you're going to combine like terms like that. And then you're going to distribute it again like that. And then we're going to simplify this huge number. And then your final product is going to be 8m cubed plus 12m squared plus 6mn squared plus n3.
Good. Completing the square. Your first step is to write the equation. X squared plus 12x plus 8 equals 0. Your next step is to make the left x squared plus bx. So what you want to do is subtract the 8 to the other side. Your next step is to add b over 2 squared, which then you plug it in, which is 12 over 2 squared equals 36 to each side. That is when you get this following equation. Next step, write left side as a binomial. In the parentheses of x plus 6 squared equals 28. Then you want to subtract 6 from each side, right here. Then you're going to simplify the radical to get x equals negative 6 plus or minus 2 to the square. Square root of 7. That is how you complete the square.
Imaginary numbers. I equals the square root
Of 1.
root of negative 1. In parentheses, 8 plus 4i, close parentheses, and then parentheses 4 minus 5i. Use double distribution and it equals 32 minus 40i plus 16i plus 20i squared. So combine like terms and you get 32 minus 24i minus 20i. Or is that negative 1?
Negative 1.
Sorry. You have to simplify and you get 32 minus 24i plus 20. The final product is 52 minus 24i. Yay!
Graph y equals 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. For graphing, you hit zoom fit and you zoom out as many times as needed, trace and find the point of intersection. To find the vertex, you hit second, trace, and then you go down, you hit minimum / maximum, and then you hit enter. To find your zeros, you hit second, calc, 0, enter, and hit right and left bound.